Hello everyone, this is Steven from CRUKING. Today we visit to the XCMG Excavator factory. Today I will introduce this model, XE135GA. Let's check it today.
Okay, now let's check the hydro resistance. Large displacement series double pumps can provide large flow at the same speed, with low pressure loss and low failure rate. Let's check the chassis out. A dot mountain shape, X-frame with left and right fault, 175 pitch, reinforced 4-wheel bed, chain check pin and wheel system pin shape are uniformly thickened. The anti-extrusion and anti-wheel compatibility are greatly improved. Okay, now let's check the engine. Customized Cummins National IV low-speed high-target engine. Low speed and high target, sufficient power, wide economy area, and low fuel consumption. Turbocharged engine, fast response speed, string ability to hold it in the heavy load condition. Yeah, we can see that is Cummins engine. Okay, now let's check the cabins. It has a spacious cabin with an improved field of view, low noise levels, and efficient air conditioning for a more comfortable environment.
Okay, now let's check this bucket. This bucket is standard bucket with 0.3 included. It's very effective. That's all you're watching today. On your own, this model has many advantages. Low fuel consumption. It can use in many different working conditions. If you are interested in it, you can contact me soon.